Good morning, class.
Hello.
You guys ready to learn?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're learning about science, and we're going to be learning about matter. Okay? Here's some notes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is almost everything in the world made up of? Does anybody know? Matter. Yeah. Okay, so here's some vocabulary terms that we're going to need to know. So we're going to go over these. The first word is going to be matter, of course. It's the definition. The definition of matter is what something is made up of. Well, all physical things are made of. An example of matter is a dining table made of wood. An example of matter is everything we see being made of particles of elements and atoms. Another word is weight. Weight is how heavy something is or how much mass it has. An example of weight is when a person is 100 pounds. Another word is mass. How much space takes up something. Everything that takes up space has mass. Matter comes in different shapes, forms, sizes, textures, and all of those definitions we right here. Texture is what something feels like, you know? Everything comes in different shapes, triangles, circles, squares, different sizes, colors, everything. Okay. Matter can come in a bunch of different forms. What are some different forms of matter?
A chair.
A chair. What is a chair? Solid? Liquid?
Solid.
Solid? You sure? Solid gas?
No.
Okay. What about this water? What is that?
Liquid.
Liquid. Are you being serious? I'm just kidding. It is. Just kidding. Okay. On that note, we have a few videos to watch. This one's called Matter Chatter.
The stuff of life is matter. Now here's some scientific chatter. I'm gonna give it to you nice and straight. When it comes to matter, there are three states: solid or liquid or gas. Solids stay put in a single place. When put in something else, they keep their own shape. Your chair is a solid, and so is a box. Your shirt is a solid, and so are your socks. A table is a solid, and so is your phone. A cookie's a solid, and so is a stone. Can you think of any more solids?
A book.
A bowl.
The stuff of life is matter. Now here's some scientific chatter. I'm gonna give it to you nice and straight. When it comes to matter, there are three states: solid or liquid or gas. Liquids flow when they move around. They take the shape of the container now. Water is a liquid, and so is apple juice. Milk is a liquid, it's good for you. Soda is a liquid, and so is gasoline. Salad dressing is a liquid, you see. Can you think of any more liquids?
Orange juice.
Oranges. The ocean.
The stuff of life is matter. Now here's some scientific chatter. I'm gonna give it to you nice and straight. When it comes to matter, there are three states: solid or liquid or gas. A gas expands to fill any space. Now a peculiar look may come to your face because sometimes gases are invisible. Let me explain. You can't really see it, but you know it's there. All around you is a gas called air. The helium in a balloon is a gas, and so is the wind as it blows past. Smoke is a gas, and so is steam. You're blowing out gas when you use the AC. Can you think of any more gases?
Heater.
Yeah.
Steam. Wait, did I say steam?
The stuff of life is matter. Now here's some scientific chatter. I'm gonna give it to you nice and straight. When it comes to matter, there are three states: solid or liquid or gas. You can classify matter in other ways, like by color or size or texture or shape. Like color: red, white, blue, orange, black, green, brown, yellow, pink, purple, gray. You see, like size: big, small, or medium, skinny or wide, thick or thin. Like texture: spiky or furry or smooth or bumpy or soft or rough or lumpy. Like shape: square, circle, rectangle, star, oval, or triangle, trapezoids and hexagons, diamonds and octagons. The stuff of life is matter. Now here's some scientific chatter. I'm gonna give it to you nice and straight. When it comes to matter, there are three states: solid or liquid or gas.
Okay. So can anybody tell me any more different types of matter?
A TB is a solid.
Okay. There's solid, there's
Liquid. Liquid.
and there's
Gas.
Okay. Here's another video we're gonna watch. This one's not so much singing, so it'll be a little bit more describing about the different. Can you see?
Hey, stop it! Take a matter.
Is it tasty?
Yeah, very much. But I won't give you.
Okay. My magic wand will give me.
Oh, mine is better. There is no smoke in yours.
Smoke?
See, the smoke is coming out.
Oh, this is gas.
Gas? What is gas?
Okay, let me tell you something. All things in the world exist in three forms. These are solid, liquid, and gas, or air. See, this is liquid. And see this cup? This is solid. And the smoke is coming out of your cup is gas.
I don't understand. Solid, liquid, gas.
My magic wand would show this. See, here are three forms of water. Can you tell?
Yes, this is solid. This is liquid. And this is gas.
Do you want to see the difference amongst solid, liquid, and gas?
Yes, yes. But how?
Let's become very small and see these things from inside. Let's first enter the solid.
Oh, what are these small things?
These are small lumps. Everything in the world is made of small molecules.
Oh,
In Greek, small is moles, lumps is coals, so small lumps is called molecules.
in Greek language, small is moles, lumps and coals, so small lump is called molecules. Oh, it is very tight here. I can't even move my hands.
Molecules in solid are very close to each other, and so they have less space to move. That is why they move very slowly.
Now I know. They are very tightly packed. That is why they have a definite shape.
Okay. So can objects change into different forms of matter?
Yes,
And what would that be?
the water can become gas.
Water. Water can be solid, liquid, or
Yeah, if it's ice, it's solid too.
How can matter be classified? Color,
Shape,
shape,
texture.
texture, size. Is everything made of matter?
Yes,
Yes.
everything around us.
Mm-hmm. How much does matter weigh? It depends, right?
Yes.
That was a trick question. Everything has a weight, but it's all different, you know? Okay, so next we're gonna do a worksheet. Okay?
Okay.
It's a fun little worksheet. classifying different objects into solid, liquid, or gas. And we can do this together. Okay, so number 1, milk. What is milk?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Number 2, a cookie.
Solid.
Number 3, oxygen.
Gas.
Number 4, fish.
Solid.
A pencil. Maple syrup.
Liquid.
Shampoo.
Liquid.
Carbon dioxide.
Gas.
Yeah. An ice cube.
Solid.
Paint. Liquid. Oil. A liquid. Salt.
Solid.
Water vapor.
Gas.
Gasoline.
Liquid.
Helium.
Gas.
And sand.
Solid.
Good job, guys. Now the bottom, we're going to read the sentence and fill in the blank with the correct solid, liquid, or gas. Okay. A blank has a definite shape. It does not take the shape of its container. It also has a definite volume because it can be measured. What would that be?
Solid.
Yeah. A blank does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of its container. It does not have a definite volume because it can be measured. Okay. If it can be measured, what would that be?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Yep. A blank does not have a definite shape. It sometimes takes the shape of its container and sometimes flies freely around you. These particles are not connected to each other and take up whatever space is available.
Gas.
Yep. Yay. You want to pass those in or you want to keep them? You can keep them if you want. Got a lot of papers everywhere, don't we? Okay. And the last thing I have lined up for us would be our little experiment. We're going to measure how long they are, and we're going to weigh them, and then we're going to see buoyancy. So if they float or sink. It's going to be a pine cone, a piece of bubble gum, and a rock. Okay, so if you guys want to pick a rock, pick a pine cone and measure them and fill it out. Ounces is the weight, centimeters for the length, and then circle either float or sink.
Let's weight it.
That's probably about
2 ounces.
2 ounces.
2
Mine
ounces.
is 3.1.
Okay. You measure how long there? Centimeters.
In centimeters. Mine is 4.5.
It's going to be 6.
6.
Okay, so the next step is the pine cone. Can you measure the piece again?
with 3 horses.
That one's kind of pokey, so be careful. Down here. Do you know from centimeters?
Yes.
And then the last one,
And then mystical gum
float
with
or sink.
house.
Half house. That sounds about right. You gonna put it in?
Okay, the rock.
Oh,
The sinks.
that one
Sinks.
sucks. And you cleaned it off a little bit. You can do the pine cup?
Sinks too.
Sinks.
You can just leave it in there if you want. And then,
Piece of gum.
okay. Oh, it kind of floated.
And
And then it sunk. Okie dokie. And that was the conclusion of today's lesson. Thank you.
Thank you.